Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, and I want to talk to you a little bit today about gas cooktops, okay? You may find over time the flame doesn't look as like it used to, or as consistent or as even. The flame should be consistent all the way around, okay? That's how it's supposed to work. Now, what happens is over time, they start to get a little icky and dirty and build up and stuff like this, okay? This needs to be cleaned, okay? And like I said, for the most part, it's not too bad. You can tell which one they used and which one they didn't. This came off one stove, so yeah, they never used the back one here, but that's okay. Most people do different things. See, there's several different kinds of burners and several different, styles, but they all work the same way, okay? The way they work is, you see this right here, the gas comes up here, okay? Goes onto this plate and then gets distributed through, if you look, all these little holes here, okay? What happens over time is they start to get clogged up. As they get clogged up, the force is not there to physically blow stuff out of the way, so it just builds up. And what happens is you start to see flames get a little uneven or a little weird, okay? So, there's a couple ways we can take care of this. What you want to do, if you have a burner like this that doesn't come apart, okay? If you look here, you see how nice and pretty those are and how full they are? And you can see how as you get into it over here, that they start to clog up, okay? That was something that spilled, got burned, and gets a little icky in your machine. But you're not getting a gas flow through there. So what you need to do is we need to clean these out, okay? I have a handy dandy little picker that I use that basically goes in there real nice, and if you look, okay, they get real cleaned out relatively easily, okay? Not a whole lot of, it's not real heavy stuff, but it comes out, okay? If you don't have one of these, I'd recommend getting your basic little paper clip. It's all you really need because the holes really aren't that big. You just open it up, and then you can take it and it'll fit in there. You can just punch it out a little bit, okay? And it basically cleans them up, and now this is actually going to flow really well. Now, if you have a burner like one of these, okay, that you can take apart, what you want to watch for is, are these getting clogged up? Because this is how the gas comes out. It comes up through here, and natural gas is heavier than air, so therefore it's always going to fall, okay? That's why it'll go up through here, hit the cap, come down, and comes out this way. And it, pretty much will come out evenly all the way around. If you do start to build up on these, you just want to make sure you can get in there and you can get them, cleaned out, because over time they will build up. If you don't feel comfortable, call a technician. They will come out. They can show you how to clean it. They can get it cleaned up for you and make it to where your machine will work as good as well again. One other thing I want to show you. If you look at this one, I've got all these where the gas comes out, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 that are all going to push a little bit of gas because my spark is right here. So it pushes the gas in here, the gas comes out, lights up here, and then comes back up and lights the top of your burner, okay? If these get plugged, it's never going to light. And you're going, why doesn't my machine work anymore? It's not that it needs a massive amount of work, it just may need those cleaned out a little bit, okay? So, if you have some questions or concerns, don't hesitate to call a technician. If not, give it a try. See what you can do for yourself. But remember, if you spill, clean it up, because if not, it's going to cause you problems later. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel because there's a lot more helpful information coming your way. And you folks have a wonderful day.